So today we're going to take you guys on a little farm tour of all of our animals and let you meet everyone. Are you ready? Alright, you ready to take us? Alright, let's go.
There's our ducks.
3 of like 25 ducks. These do not like to stay in their fenced-in area, so they just get to hang out wherever they want. Alright, let's go look at our chickens. Here's our chickens. They are currently in this because our dog keeps eating all of our eggs and they like to free range. So we had to put them in here for a few days to collect some eggs. Hey ladies! And our guinea. Alright, Caden is going to go collect some eggs.
No, the ball.
So how many eggs do we have?
3.
We have 3.
1,
Alright.
2, and 3. This is Cleo. Hang on, let me get out of here. This is Cleo. She's
She's a sweetie girl, isn't she?
She is the calmest chicken that we have.
Alright, let's go collect some more eggs this evening.
Yep.
So now we need to go collect some quail eggs. So we're going to put these eggs up and then go see if our quail's laid any today.
Yep. We already did collect quail eggs this morning, so I don't know how much we have left. So let's go find out.
How many do we have?
We have 3 quail eggs.
Let's see them. Oh, I love those. I love the blue eggs. There's Mellow. Hey, baby.
Ollie Pop. Look how cute he is. And then
Just
Trixie,
relaxing.
Willow.
Yep, and then our ducks are over there in their own area. And these are our goats. And our dog, who likes to get on their nerves.
Why is he so big? Gosh.
Hey, Willow.
Hey, baby. Mellow.
Here's our little piggies. Hey, girl. Hey, Ellie. Hey, Ellie. Hey, May. That's Bertha.
Hey,
We haven't named the spotted one yet. So we're using this kind of like a grow out pen, multi-use pen right now. It's a little hard. So we're going to show you all these babies.
That one looks like an owl.
An owl or an eagle?
Eagle, I mean.
There's our turkey.
Wait, that's a turkey?
That one is.
Dang. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Hey, baby ducks.
These are baby call ducks, which they need to get some more water. So we'll go ahead and do that.
They're so cute.
But these are tiny, that's why they're in this little thing, because they like to escape. You want to see them swim in the pond?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get them out. Before we do that, though, here are our other 2 call ducks.
Yep.
And that's
Dad.
Mommy and Dad.
Mom. That's Dad, I think.
Look at them. Oh my gosh. And the little chicks are coming out. Look at them. Do y'all love your chickens and your ducks?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You want to get in there with them?
No.
Here, I'll set him down.
Alright, let's let them come out to play a little bit. Come on. And these are out here during the day right now, so they're too little. These are little baby silkies.
Come on, guys. Come on. What are you doing? Oh.
Oh. Yeah. Are you gonna catch them?
This is one of our silkies.
Mm-hmm.
It's a hen.
She's pretty.
She's like the White House.
Yeah, she's the sweetest. We love her. Are you gonna get her? Go get her. You're so silly. Are they fast?
Look how cute they are.
Aren't they so cute? Hi guys. Hey mama. Hey mama. Yeah. Okay.